Hello guys, welcome to iPark Pro. How to become a iOS developer? If you have basic coding language or a interest in developing iOS application, you will become a iOS developer easily. I am here to share what are the requirements to become iOS developer. There are 6 steps to become a iOS developer. Let's get into the video. Firstly, we should own a Apple computer. Apple have this limitation to developers. They should have MacBook or iMac or Mac Mini, whatever the system is. By using those systems, we only develop apps for iOS. But others says we can develop in Windows also, but it is not a good idea. The only requirement is you should buy a MacBook system. Secondly, designing. If we have to build the application from scratch, we have to visualize and design how my application is look like, what are the functions I have to add in my applications, so that firstly you can design in notebooks or whatever. Design a basic flowchart of application so that you can have clear idea and better understanding about the app. Thirdly, we should learn Shift language. Shift is a dedicated language for iOS developer. Apple created this language for easy and fast learning and implementation. If you have basic code language, it is very easy to learn Shift. If you have no coding knowledge, you will choose a iOS developer course. Those course they will cover how to design and code the application. You will learn step by step. Fine. Fourth one, you should have a general knowledge on iOS environment. How iPhone apps look like, how Apple Watch apps look like. For that, you don't want to buy a iPhone or Apple Watch. You just use them once or know how they look like. Fifth one, it is very important one. If you developing a basic simple app or a big huge app, you have to build. After designing and coding, the build phase is over. Then you have to run your app. If you face any error, you have to sort out the error. If it is a simple error or huge error, you yourself try to sort out the errors and run application. You can run your application directly on your iPhone. Believe me, this is very craziest thing. You develop a app and you will run on your phone. So build and run the application, whatever it is. Final step, you have to push your application on Apple App Store. Apple have a protocol that we have to pay $100+ to register and push our application. Why they have this limitation is, if we pay $100 for a very good app, that's fine. We are not going to pay $100 for a basic low level apps. So Apple want to filter the great apps in their app store, so they have this protocol. Finally, if you have interest and strong spirit of mind to become a app developer in iOS platform, you will choose a course and learn and build, run, push your code and the app in App Store. Will become a iOS developer. The salary for iOS developer is now it's high than any other app development. Asia, the number of app developers, iOS app developer are less. In Asia, we have more Android developers, but in USA, the number of iOS developer is greater than Android developer. Think if you want to become a freelancer, you can go USA or other countries, you build app and earn money. So pick a course, practice and learn and become a iOS developer. In our channel we have more tutorial about iOS development. Follow this channel for learning technical stuff. Thank you. Subscribe my channel and share.